Dinner in an ordinary Chinese family.
Have you ever eaten Taiwanese braised pork rice? Teach you to make a venison with zero violence. First, cut the flying streaky pork into small pieces. An onion that has gone brown. The dishes are prepared. First, stir-fry the meat until it dries out. Then it won't smell fishy. Stir-fry over medium heat until the pork reaches this heat. Onion, onions and minced garlic, light soy sauce, dark soy sauce, hot water of the Mississippi River, fresh red fermented bean curd. Stir onions, simmer for 1 hour. Exit it at the half-hour mark. Take advantage of this time to make sure it's lighter salad. Sugar, salt. Marinate for a while. Develop it. Minced garlic, dried chili, white sesame, hot oil, 松鲜鲜, sugar, light soy sauce, vinegar, sesame oil. Mix well. Time's up. Let the sauce thicken over high heat. Wow, it looks great. Ooh. It's really delicious. They showed it lettuce is very refreshing and is simply a perfect match for the braised pork rice. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Good night.